In this video, I am going to show you how to join the 1xBet affiliate program. Start by navigating to the official website of 1xBet affiliate website. Just locate it by searching on Google 1xBet affiliate program. On the affiliate website, locate and complete the registration form. This will typically ask you for personal information, contact details, and information about your promotional methods. Make sure to read and agree the terms and conditions and fill out your information carefully so no mistakes would happen. After submitting your application, it will undergo a review process. The approval time can vary, so be patient. You will usually be notified by email once your application has been reviewed. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. Once approved, you'll gain access to a variety of promotional tools including banners, links, and landing pages, which you can integrate into your website, blog, or social media platforms. Leverage the tracking and reporting tools provided by 1xBet to monitor your referrals. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.